Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a full CPR training and revive system for FiveM, complete with an in-game tutorial video, 10-question quiz, and a 30-day certificate that lets you use a first aid kit just like EMS. Let's jump right in. The free script is available on the TBEX store. Simply head over to the TBEX page where the product is listed. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you're there, click on the product to begin the purchase process. You may be asked to log in using your FiveM and Discord accounts. After logging in, continue to the checkout page and fill in the required purchase details. Don't worry, this is a free product, so you won't be charged anything. Once the purchase is complete, you'll either get an email confirmation or you can head over to your Keymaster account to download the script. After downloading, unzip the file. Then copy the unzipped folder and paste it into your server directory, specifically in the folder that's already insured in your server.cfg file. This step is important to make sure your server loads and runs the new script without any issues. Quick, simple, and you're good to go. Now, inside the script folder, you'll find an SQL file. This needs to be imported into your preferred database. In my case, I'm using HeidiSQL, but you can use any tool you're comfortable with, like PHPMyAdmin or others. Make sure to import the SQL file into your existing database setup. This step is essential to ensure all the necessary tables and data structures are in place. Skipping this might cause parts of the script to not function properly, so don't miss it. All right, before we jump into the config, let's cover the first aid item setup. In your install folder, you'll see a note about the first aid item. This is what players use to perform revives. Most frameworks, ESX, qbcore, qbox, already include a matching first aid definition out of the box. Simply copy the item snippet from the note and drop it into your inventory resources item list, items.lua, or whatever your framework uses. That makes sure the kit shows up in everyone's inventory and can be used. Once that's sorted, open up the config.lua file to tweak things. And with that set up, you're ready to roll. Let's dive into the config next. All right. Let's walk through the config.lua so you can tailor the CPR revive system to your server. First up, inventory and notifications. Config.inventory picks your inventory resource, aux inventory, qb inventory, ps inventory, or fallback default. Config.notify chooses how alerts pop up, options like aux, ococ, qb, qbox, or esx. Next, revive kit settings. Config.revive distance sets how close you must stand to revive someone. Config.revive item is the item name, defaults to first aid. Config.training expiry controls how long CPR certification stays valid, 30 days by default. Then, the CPR quiz. Config.quizfee.cpr is what players pay from their bank to take the quiz. Quiz questions live in config.cpr quiz questions. Just add, edit, or remove entries to fit your custom questions. If you only want self-revives when EMS aren't around, flip on config.enable EMS check and set config.EMS required to the minimum on-duty medics. Drop in your in-game tutorial via config.youtube embed URL, and set your trainer NPC with config.cprp.model and chords. Finally, toggle config.debug, =, true to see extra printouts and trace any unexpected behavior. And that's the high-level overview. Now go ahead and tweak each value. Hit restart, and you've got a perfectly customized CPR training and revive system for your FiveM server. All right, let's see it in action. Jump into the game and head over to our CPR trainer PID. Look for the doctor model at the coordinates you set in the config. Walk up and press E to open the CPR menu. First up, hit Watch Tutorial to stream a real CPR training video. Swap in any official American Heart Association or Red Cross clip you prefer. I've just got a placeholder in here for copyright reasons. Watch the full tutorial so you know the correct hand placement, compression depth, and breathing ratios. Next, select Take Quiz. You'll face 10 multiple-choice questions on chest compressions per minute, compression to ventilation ratios, and those all-important safety checks. Once you ace the quiz, you'll earn a digital CPR certificate that stays valid for 30 days. With your certificate active, you'll get the first aid kit item in your inventory. To perform a revive, make sure you've holstered any weapon. This script checks for empty hands. Then approach any downed player within range and use the kit. You'll see a progress bar, and your character will perform the correct CPR animation. And boom, they're back on their feet. just like an on-duty EMS medic. This system is perfect if your server doesn't always have active EMS on duty, or if players go down in the heat of battle and need an in-game hero. Give it a try and keep everyone alive out there. And that wraps up our CPR training system: tutorial, quiz, and in-game revive all in one. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more FiveM scripts and showcases, and drop a comment on what feature you want next. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm thrilled to announce that CODEIN has officially surpassed 7,000 members on Discord, making it one of the best FiveM developers and server owners hubs. Fueled by this increase in member count, we've added developer AI bots to help fix code snippets for users facing issues. Moreover, users can also create logos for their servers using our logo creating AI bots. With support for all frameworks from thousands of developers, you'll also find all the necessary free items needed to start a simple roleplay server. So what's stopping you from joining? Join now!